హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? సో దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ సుధాకర్ వ్యామగిరి. సో ఒకవేళ మీరు కానీ ఫస్ట్ టైం నా ఛానల్ చూస్తున్నట్టయితే దయచేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోమని కోరుకుంటూ, అలాగే మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయమని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేసుకుంటూ, మరి మరొకసారి మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ కూడా ఇంగ్లీష్ లెర్నింగ్ అసిస్టెంట్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్కి ఇన్వైట్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాము. ఈ 10th క్లాస్ మోడల్ పేపర్స్ కోసం మోడల్ పేపర్ డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉన్నాం. అండ్ లాస్ట్ 2 వీడియోస్లో 2 మోడల్ పేపర్ డిస్కస్ చేయడం జరిగింది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద థర్డ్ వన్. సబ్ బోర్డ్ మోడల్ పేపర్ 2023. రైట్, మనకు తెలుసు టైమింగ్ వచ్చి 3 hours 15 minutes, maximum marks 100. So instructions, the first one, the question paper has 35 questions in 3 sections, A, B and C. Answer all the questions on a separate answer book supplied to you. Third and 50 minutes of time is allotted exclusively for reading the question paper and 3 hours for writing the answers. Answer all the questions of section B, grammar and vocabulary in the same order at one place in your answer book. Okay, right, మరి లేట్ చేయకుండా మనం స్టార్ట్ చేసుకుందాం. రీడింగ్ కాంప్రహెన్షన్. Read the following passage carefully. One important fallout of this friendship was the establishment of Chitrabani, a communication and film institute, the first of its kind in West Bengal, which Roberts founded in 1970, and to which Ray, as a token of friendship, lent his name as co-founder. Ray was in the first governing body and after a few terms readily agreed to be the institute's advisor. Roberts arranged most of the initial funding from Canadian agencies. I had no reservations applying for them, for I feel richer countries in the West are indebted to countries like India, he said. For 26 years, Roberts was the director of Chitrabani, and under him the institute not only produced important documentary features, but also became a breeding ground for local talent for filmmaking. Okay. సో ఆన్సర్స్ అనేవి మీకు లాస్ట్లో ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. సో దయచేసి మీరు వీడియో స్కిప్ చేసే డేటా ఆన్సర్లోకి వెళ్తే మీకు ఏం అర్థం కాదు. ఫస్ట్ మీ ఓన్గా ఆన్సర్స్ రాయండి, తర్వాత చెక్ చేసుకుంటే మీకు ఎంతవరకు వచ్చు అనే క్లారిటీ కూడా మీకు తెలుస్తుంది అనమాట. రైట్, నౌ ఆన్సర్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. సో 5 questions, each one carries 2 marks, total 10 marks. First one, whose friendship was referred in the passage? What was Chitrabani? Choose the right option from the choices given for each question. Third one, how was Ray connected to Chitrabani? A, Ray was the founder. B, Ray was the co-founder and advisor. C, Ray was the director. Next, what made the initial funding for Chitrabani? So, who made the initial fundings from Chitrabani? Canadian agencies, India, West Bengal. Next, 5th one, how did Roberts use Chitrabani? Option A, Roberts made massive films. Option B, Roberts directed race films in Chitrabani. Option C, Roberts produced documentary films. Question number 6 to 8. Read the following stanza carefully. There in the west the song thrush warbles. She weaves her nest to hold her clutch. A long wait now to find a partner. The eggs are laid, there are not much. These chicks could be the last ones ever, the last to fly and sing and mate. Our grandchild knows the song thrush never, or will the dreamer wake. So, or will the dreamer wake అనే పోయం నుంచి తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. మరి క్వశ్చన్స్. Choose the correct answers to the following questions. 3 questions, each one carries 2 marks. 3 2s are 6 marks. Question number 1, 6th one. Why did the song thrush weave a nest? Option A, to hold her eggs. Option B, to live with her partner. Option C, to sing and play with her chicks. Question number 7. Why could the chicks be last ones ever? Option A, because they fly, sing and mate. Option B, because the eggs are many. Option C, because their number is decreasing. Next, 8th one. Who may not know of song thrush forever? Option A, grandchild. Option B, dreamer. Option C, chicks. Question number 9 to 10. Read the following passage carefully. They came on a Wednesday, said Sunday. Many big lorries. They took all day unloading them. No one told us what was in them. They gave the chief a brown paper bag. I saw him smiling as the lorries drove away. This was 5 years ago. Then, 3 months ago, one of the brightest boys in the village, Thomas Agonio, started a university in Lagos. He came home one weekend with a new chemistry book and spent all day looking at the drums and writing things down and talking to himself and shaking his head. We all thought he had gone mad. Then he called a meeting of the village and told us that the drums contain poisonous chemicals. He said they had come from Italy. So, Cocoa Village, Nigeria. Choose the correct appropriate from the options below. Ninth one. How did the young boy know about the poisonous chemicals? Option A, he brought the drums from Europe. He studied about the chemicals in his university. He talked to the chief. 10th one. Why did Sunday Nana and others think the boy was mad? Option A, because he started a university. B, because he called a meeting to tell about the chief and drums. C, because he always talked to himself looking all day at the drums. Next, study the following poster. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన పోస్టర్ చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. దీంట్లో క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగడం జరుగుతుంది. సో మాన్యా కార్డియల్లీ ఇన్వైట్స్ హస్తకళ. సో ఇక్కడంతా క్లియర్గా ఒకసారి చదవండి. సో కర్ణాటక చిత్రకళా పరిషత్ 14th to 24th August 2022. మాన్యా ఆర్ట్ అండ్ క్రాఫ్ట్ అసోసియేషన్ డైరెక్టర్ సేల్స్ ఏ లైవ్ డెమో ఫ్రమ్ ఆర్ట్స్ అండ్ క్రాఫ్ట్స్. ఓకే. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎగ్జిబిషన్? Who is conducting the exhibition? ఈ రెండు మన క్లారిటీ వచ్చు. Who makes the sales in the exhibition? Artisans, Manya showroom, people of Karnataka. How many days is the sale conducted? 14 days, 11 days, 24 days. Pick out the right statement from those given below. The sale is to exhibit the art and culture of different states in India. There is a sale of toys, handlooms, decorative items and books. The sale is conducted for 30 days. So section B, grammar and vocabulary. 16th one. Combine the following sentences using who. Victoria is a precocious girl. She loves her grandfather. 17th one. Change the following sentence into passive voice. Iyer invited Kalam to dine in his house. Change into passive voice. 18th one. It is very hot today. We cancelled our tour. Combine the two sentences by using since. Fill the blanks with suitable prepositional phrases given in the brackets. Madhu got a good job dash his own abilities and skills in addition to, instead of, by means of. Next, she listened dash all my problems yet to of. 20th. Fill in the blanks with suitable form of verb given in the brackets. So 2 ones are 2 marks. A. He dash stop in bracket his business as he went into debts. The train dash the station before we reach bracket lo leave. Next 21. Your sister has passed the written test. Advise her to get prepared for interview. So meeda elag advise iవ్వగలరు. 22. Change the following into a polite request. A boy to his teacher, help me solve this problem. So then polite request ga ela ivvali. 23. What do the following sentences mean? Put a right tick mark. Again is the right answer. I have no money to buy this dress. Idi expressing ability, making a statement, expressing inadequacy, expressing possibility. Next, you may leave the class. Identi seeking permission, giving permission, or making a request, or expressing possibility. 24. Read the following paragraph and write the synonyms of the underlined words, choosing from the words given in the box. So, thinking curiously, support, dry grass, movement, restore, eventual. సో సినోనిమ్స్ చూడాలి, మనకి అండర్లైన్ చేసిన వర్డ్స్కి బ్రాకెట్లో ఉన్న వర్డ్స్ ఏది కరెక్ట్గా ఉందో మనం చూడాలి. సో మెనీ ఉమెన్ వర్ సేయింగ్ వీ నీడ్ ఫుడ్, వాటర్ అండ్ ఫాడర్ ఫర్ అవర్ యానిమల్స్ అండ్ ఐ వాజ్ వండరింగ్ what has happened. The environment had changed, and that is when I started this campaign to restore the vegetation and rehabilitate the forest. Second underline words which fodder, wandering, campaign, rehabilitate. Next, read the paragraph and match the words under A with their antonyms under B. So I looked at the father's bare feet. So bare. Never having worn shoes, his feet had developed cracks and somehow resembled. Second one, those of an elephant. I had not noticed. Third one, that the road was uneven. Fourth one. So bare, resembled, noticed, uneven. దీనికి ఆపోజిట్స్ తో కరెక్ట్గా మనం మ్యాచ్ చేయగలగాలి. నెక్స్ట్ 26. Fill in the blanks with the right form of words given in brackets. Despite these disadvantages, he dash great innate dash and a dash generosity of. So first dantlo, despite these disadvantages, he possessed possession. ఒకటి కరెక్ట్గా రాయాలి. గ్రేట్ ఇన్నేట్ డాష్ అంటే డాష్లో wise, wisdom wisely, and a dash true, truth truly, generosity of dash spiritual, spirituality, spirit. Next 27. Complete the following spellings with AU, OU, IA or AI. 2 into 1, 2 marks. Some wars are F dash dash GHT. In the world, BSC dash dash SE. The environment is degraded. Some wars are, ఇది వస్తుంది కరెక్ట్గా మనం రాయాలి. కంప్లీట్ ద వర్డ్స్ విత్ కరెక్ట్ సఫిక్సెస్ గివెన్ ఇన్ బ్రాకెట్స్. సఫిక్స్ అని తెలుసు కదా, తర్వాత. నిక్స్ ఫాదర్ వాజ్ ఎ కంప్యూటర్ ప్రోగ్రామర్ అయితే ఇఆర్ఆ ఓఆర్, అండ్ అకౌంటెంట్ ఏఎన్టీఆర్ ఈఎన్టీఆర్. నెక్స్ట్ 29. ఫైండ్ ద రాంగ్లీ స్పెల్డ్ వర్డ్ అండ్ రైట్ ద కరెక్ట్ స్పెల్లింగ్. సో అరేంజ్, mantelpiece, appeal, delicate. B. Friendship, message, didactic, frame. Next 30th one. Read the following dictionary entry of the word given below. So దీంతో 2 questions ఇస్తా, 2 questions మనం ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. సో dissuade దీని ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్. తర్వాత ఇది verb from something, from doing, and something persuade somebody not to do something. I tried to dissuade him from giving up his job. They were going to set off in the fog but were dissuaded. So option A, what is the parts of speech of the word? And ఈ word కి parts of speech ఏదని అడుగుతున్నారు. Write the meaning of the word dissuade. దానికి కరెక్ట్ మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? Next, arrange the following words under the correct headings: quarrelsome, lazy, reliable, cautious, smart, rude, bossy, trusting. So positive qualities. ఏమున్నాయి దీంట్లో? పాజిటివ్ క్వాలిటీస్ ఏమన్నా ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. తర్వాత నెగిటివ్ క్వాలిటీస్ ఏంటనేది కూడా ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. నెక్స్ట్, మ్యాచ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ వన్ వర్డ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్స్ ఇన్ పార్ట్ ఏ విత్ దర్ మీనింగ్స్ ఇన్ పార్ట్ బి. సో వన్ వర్డ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్స్ దాని మీనింగ్స్ రాయాలి. omnipresent, spendthrift, verbose, documentary. ఇది పార్ట్ ఏ. పార్ట్ బి ఏమున్నాయి? ఏ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ 3 films that have same characters. B. Using more words than needed. C. One who is present everywhere. D. One who believes in God. E. One who spends too much. F. A film that gives facts about something. Next, creative expression 33. సో మనకు తెలుసు కదా, ఫస్ట్ వన్ వచ్చి కన్వర్సేషన్, సెకండ్ వన్ డైరీ. You have read the lesson I will do it of Unit 1 Narayanamurthy of Unit 1. Narayanamurthy became a pioneer of Indian software industry and was responsible for information technology wave. After his success, the local reporter of Bangalore meets Mr. Murthy to make an interview looking forward to briefing his successful story. So write a possible conversation between Murthy and the reporter. Or in the lesson environment, Bangar Mata was very happy to see the woman successful and independent. She could help them become competent and empowered. So imagine you are Vangari Mate and make a diary entry about this transformation in the illiterate woman. Next, 34th A. ఇక్కడ మనం తెలుసు కదా, లెటర్ అవుట్ ఉంటుంది, బయో స్కెచ్ అవుట్ ఉంటుంది. లెటర్ అండ్ బయో స్కెచ్. Your school has some children with special needs, CWSN, in various classes. You, as the school people leader, collected donations from the village head, officers and landlords to honor such children and encourage them continue their studies. On 3rd December, International Day for the Disabled, with the permission of headmaster and the teachers, you organized a program in the school and invited the village president and other elders for the program. Write a letter to your friend in another village describing the event. Next, write a biographical sketch of Mrs. Sudha Murthy, chairperson of Infosys company. Born 19th August 1950, 69 years. అంటే ఇప్పటికి 73. Place of birth Karnataka, India. Citizenship Indian. Alma mater engineering from BVB College of Engineering and Technology. Masters in Computers in Indian Institute of Science. Spouse N.R. Narayanamurthy. Children Rohan and Akshata. Career started as engineer in Telco, Pune. Started Infosys Foundation 1996. Visiting professor at PG Center of Bangalore University. Contributions: literature in Kannada and English, travelogues, novels and books on education, social worker and empowering women. Awards: gold medals in cash awards in education, Millennium Mahila Shiromani Award, R.K. Narayan's Award 2006 and Padma Shri. Next, 35 A. ఇక్కడ మనం తెలుసు కదా, డబుల్ ఏజ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ రాయాలి. సో read the following passage carefully, focusing on the underlined parts. An old tiger ran through the rain looking for a shelter. He was wet and cold, underlined wet and cold, and his cave was far away. While hurrying to his shelter, he saw an old hut. With a sigh of relief, the tiger crawled under the thatched roof and lay down by the door. Underline, crawled under the thatched roof and lay down by the door. However, he heard something heavy being dragged inside the hut. దీనికి డబుల్ ఏజ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ రాయాలి. డబుల్ ఏజ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ టు గెట్ ద అండర్లైన్ పార్ట్స్ యాజ్ ఆన్సర్స్. ఆర్ స్టడీ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ బార్ డయాగ్రామ్ అండ్ రైట్ ఎ పారాగ్రాఫ్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ గివెన్ ఇన్ ఇట్. బార్ డయాగ్రామ్: యావరేజ్ మంత్లీ రెయిన్ఫాల్ January to June 2018. So rainfall in millimeters January, February, March, April, May, June. సో ఇప్పుడు వరకు మీరు రాసిన ఆన్సర్స్ ఏదైతే ఉన్నాయో ఇప్పుడు చెక్ చేసుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. సో ఆన్సర్స్ చూడడానికి ముందు మీరు దాన్ని చెక్ చేసుకుంటే అప్పుడు మీకు ఎంతవరకు వచ్చింది రాలేదని కూడా మనకు క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. ఆ తర్వాత ఆన్సర్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ టైమ్ ఫర్ అస్ టు రివీల్ ద ఆన్సర్స్. Model paper 3 answers. Question number 1 to 5. First one, Ray and Robert. Second one, A Communication and Film Institute. Third one, B, Ray was the co-founder and advisor. Fourth one, A, Canadian agencies. Fifth one, C, Robert produced documentary films. Question number 6 to 8. Sixth one, A, to hold her eggs. Seventh one, C, because the number is decreasing. Eighth one, A, grandchild. Question number 9 to 10. Ninth one, B, He studied about the chemicals in his university. C. Because he always talked to himself looking all day at the drums. Question number 11 to 15. The name of the exhibition is Astakala. 12. Manya Art and Craft Association. 13th option A, Artisans. 14th option B, 11 days. 15th option A, the sale is to exhibit the art and culture of different states in India. So 16th one. Victoria, who is a precocious girl, loves her grandfather. 17th. Kalam was invited by Iyer to dine in his house. 18th. Since it is very hot today, we cancelled our tour. 19th one. Option A, by means of. B, 2. 20th one, A, stopped. B, had left. 21, you should attend the interview well prepared. 22, could you please help me solve this problem, ma'am? Question mark. So 23, 1, C, 23, 2, B. 24, A, dry grass. B, thinking curiously. C, moment. D, restore. 25, A, 3. B, 1. C, 4. D, 6. 26, A, possessed. B, wisdom. C, true. D, spirit. 27, A, fought OU. B, because AU. 28, ER. Accountant, TANT. 30th, A, verb. B, to persuade somebody to do something. 31, positive qualities, negative qualities. Positive qualities, reliable, cautious, smart, trusting. Negative qualities, quarrelsome, lazy, rude, bossy. So 32, 1, C. 32, 2, E. 32, 3, B. 32, 4, F. Next, a conversation. So, reporter and Murthy. Reporter. Good evening, sir. I am Nilesh from Bangalore today. I would like to ask you a few questions. Murthy, it is my pleasure. Please go ahead. Reporter. What were your favorite subjects in school? Murthy. Physics and maths were my favorite subjects. Reporter. Why were they your favorite? Murthy. Well, I could grasp the theories of science quite quickly. Reporter. What was your dream as a student? Murthy. Oh, I wanted to study in an IIT college. So, reporter. Did you do your IIT, sir? Murthy. Unfortunately, no. In spite of acquiring a good rank, I could not pursue my IIT, but I did pursue my dream. Reporter. Today. You are an inspiration to many youngsters. You established an MNC and the pioneer of India's software industry. How do you feel about your achievements? Murthy. Definitely. I feel glad about it, but there is much more to be achieved. Reporter. What message would you like to give to youngsters like us? Murthy. Well, believe in yourself and pursue your dream with determination. Reporter. Thank you, sir. Now B, diary entry. So date, day and time. ఈ త్రీ ఎప్పుడు మెన్షన్ చేయాలి డైరీ రాసినప్పుడు డైరీ ఎంట్రీ డేట్ డే టైం ఏ డే ఆ టైం ఎంత నెక్స్ట్ డియర్ డైరీ మై జాయ్ నోస్ నో బౌండ్స్ ఐ రియల్లీ ఫీల్ ప్రౌడ్ టుడే I wanted to play a key role in protecting the environment. I started planting trees, but I could not do this alone. So I talked to the village women, but they did not know how to plant trees. I told them to treat the seeds of trees like any other seeds. I told them to put seeds in old broken pots, and once they grow into seedlings, transplant them on their farms. It was difficult for them in the beginning, but they soon gained confidence and became very competent foresters. Now, I proudly call them foresters without diplomas. They understood that it is their responsibility to rehabilitate to their environment. This transformation of an ordinary illiterate woman to a confident and empowering woman is very powerful. This is the reason for my happiness, Vangari Mata. Next, letter writing. So 12, New Avenue, 4th lane NB Pet, Guntur. 7th December 2000 something. Dear Chandra, how are you doing, my dear? Sorry, how are you doing, my dear? How are your studies? It has been a long time since we last met and no news from you till date. I hope this letter finds you in good health. I wish to share something important and inspiring with you through this letter. Dear Chandra, have you ever pondered how the life a disabled person is? It requires a lot of courage and determination to lead such a life with the people around making fun of it. However, their determination to study is unflinching and admirable. One day, I got an idea to organize a program to encourage and support the disabled students in the school on the International Day for the Disabled. I gathered a team of volunteers to collect donations from the villagers, officers, and landlords in our vicinity. The main purpose behind this program was to honor disabled children and encourage them to continue their studies. I took permission of the headmaster and teachers and organized a special program on 3rd December in our school campus. We invited the village president, parents, and other elders for the program. With the money from the donations, books, uniforms, equipment, and tools required for the disabled students, motorized tricycles, etc., were distributed. We enacted skits, displayed banners, posters, etc., and tried our best to create awareness among students about the people with disabilities. The happiness of the students with special needs knew no bounds. The program was a huge success, and the village president appreciated our efforts and promised to support our noble cause. I was extremely happy that everyone admired my initiative. I hope our endeavor will inspire others to volunteer to support the disabled. Now, I want you to drop a reply as soon as you receive my letter. Keep me posted of your updates every now and then. Convey my regards to your parents. See you soon. Yours friend Krishna. Address on the envelope Chandra P. Door number 56 42 1 T Nagar, Chennai. Next, Sudhamurthy. Sudhamurthy, the chairman of Infosys company, was born on 19th August 1950. She is 73 years old. She was born in Karnataka, India. She completed her engineering from BVB College of Engineering and Technology. She did her masters in computers in Indian Institute of Science. She is married to Narayana Murthy. The couples have a son, Rohan, and a daughter, Akshita. She started her career as an engineer in Telco, Pune. She founded Infosys Foundation, a public charitable trust, in 1996. She is also a visiting professor at PG Center of Bangalore University. Her contribution to literature is immense. She has written and published many books, articles, travelogues, and novels in Kannada and English. They have been translated in many Indian languages. She actively participates in social work for women empowerment and education. She won Millennium Mahila Shiromani Award, R.K. Narayanan's Award 2006, Padma Shri, and many gold medals and cash awards in education. Next, question number 35, a bit double H questions. What was the tiger looking for? How was he? What did he see? What did the tiger do? What did he hear? Next, bar graph passage. The bar graph depicts the average monthly rainfall during January to June 2018. May experiences the highest rainfall of 70 centimeters. February occupies next position with 68%. April, January, March, and June had 60 centimeters, 48 centimeters, 40 centimeters, and 30 centimeters rainfall respectively. The least rainfall is in the month of January. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్ వన్స్ అగైన్ మీరు రాసిన ఆన్సర్లను కూడా కరెక్ట్ చేస్తారనుకుంటున్నాను. ఒకవేళ ఏమైనా మిస్టేక్స్ అంటే మళ్ళీ చూడండి. నేను ఎగ్జామ్లో అందరికి మంచి మార్క్స్ రావాలి, మంచి నాలెడ్జ్ రావాలనేది అనే కోరికతో నేను అన్నీ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఒకవేళ మీ వీడియో నచ్చినట్టయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే ఇంకా నచ్చినట్టయితే షేర్ చేసి వాళ్ళు కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయమని చెప్తారని ఆశిస్తూ, దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్ Sudhakar Vaimiki signing off for the day, and have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.